Ukraine, not in the face of an intensifying strategic competition in the Indo-Pacific and around the world.
If the witness will suspend.
There might be ceasefire, and yet not one senator is calling for a ceasefire. Shame on you all. The world is calling for a ceasefire. The American people don't want to support this brutal war. Stop the war. Stop the ceasefire now. Stop funding this brutal massacre that Israel is doing on the people of Gaza. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Stop supporting the brutal massacre of Gaza. The Israeli government is committing genocide against the people of Gaza. The American people do not want to support this brutal massacre. We demand that the U.S. government stop giving money to Israel. No more money for Israel. Stop supporting genocide. No more money for Israel. Stop supporting genocide.
The Geneva Convention forbids the bombing of densely populated areas. Stop supporting the genocide and ethnic cleansing of the people of Gaza. Ceasefire now! Save the children of Gaza! Save the children of Gaza! Ceasefire now! Where is your pride, America?
Nice that people feel very passionately, and I ask.
Development must work hand in hand.
Committee will suspend. And again, I appreciate that people feel passionately about these issues. I would ask that you respect our witnesses and our committee members and allow the American people to hear their testimony. We will pause until the room is clear.
300 people in Gaza, 3,500 kids dead. Come on, I'm an Army colonel, I'm a former diplomat, I resigned on that war in Iraq that you talked about. That was a terrible thing, and what we're doing right now in supporting Israel's genocide of Gaza is a terrible thing too. Stop the war! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Stop aid to Israel! Peace is what we need, not more wars. Ceasefire now! Don't give more money to merchants of war. They love this war. Trillions of dollars for war. Come on, let's do a little peace work.
I know that several
Committee will suspend, and I again ask that those in the audience respect the people in the room and allow us to continue the hearing. The hearing will suspend until the disruption is removed.
Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Demilitarize the border! People are not animals!
both stressed the need for Israel to operate by the rule.
Committee will suspend.
Let them be at the table. Why aren't they at the table? Ceasefire now! I beg you! Ceasefire now! From Palestine to Mexico, all the world gotta go.
Committee will suspend.
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!